In this video, we'll look at the different fabric interrupt sources on PolarFire SoC. The Icicle kit reference design features several fabric sources generating interrupts to the MSS. Most of these interrupts are the outputs of OR gates, which are ORing two signals together in the fabric to produce an interrupt output. The OR gate shown here ORs switch 3 with MSS GPIO2 bit 27. Switch 3 is a top-level input port, which is inverted when it enters into port A of the OR gate. Port B of the OR gate is connected up to the MSS GPIO2 bit 27 output. The output of this OR gate is connected up to the GPIO2 bit 31 input of the MSS. The GPIO inputs can be configured in several ways to cause an interrupt. For example, they can be edge triggered to cause an interrupt when they change from a 0 to a 1. The second OR gate shown here ORs switch 2 with GPIO2 bit 26. Port A is the inverted input of switch 2 and port B is MSS GPIO2 bit 26. The output of this OR gate is connected up to GPIO2 bit 30 as an input. The third OR gate is switch 1 as input A and inverted, with GPIO2 bit 28 driving input B. The output of this OR gate is connected up to MSS interrupt fabric to MSS bit 0. This can be used to directly trigger an interrupt on the PLC, as opposed to configuring a GPIO input as an interrupt. There are two additional interrupts from the fabric to the MSS in the reference design. The first is MSS interrupt fabric to MSS bit 1. This is connected up to the PCIe root port interrupt of the PCIe block. The second interrupt is MSS interrupt fabric to MSS bit 2. This is connected up to the interrupt output of the fabric DMA controller in the design. There are also interrupts available from the MSS to the fabric, and these can be seen in the Icicle kit reference design as well. In the current version of the reference design, these interrupts aren't actually connected and are marked unused, but are available on the fabric.